Hard to believe it's been 3 years since I bought this. So, on its 3rd anniversary of my ownership, here's 3 things I just did to it recently. Check this out. And as you can see from the front here, nothing's really changed. And the backside is still looking good as ever. I have been plagued by tire issues on this car since day one. Either they're just mysteriously losing pressure or I pick up flats. This was the latest one. It was a nail. That one came to a great total of $75 even. So, pulled the nail, patched it up, put it back on the rim, and so far holding air, at least for this week. So you probably can't see it too clearly, but there's a real shiny bare aluminum looking wishbone. That's the upper control arm, and the upper ball joint is part of it. So they replaced the whole thing. That came to $281.49. Yeah, cha-ching. Another thing that I wanted to address was the ticking sound that this thing came with 3 years ago when I bought it. So, they popped open the hood, half disassembled the motor, and this is what they found.
So, this is a good one. That's the bad one.
As you can hear, they didn't fix it. This was merely just trying to figure out if what the guy who sold me the car said it was, or if it was a different problem. However, that little inspection was not cheap. That came to a grand total of $462.50 for them to tear it off, have a look, and put it all back together. The jury's still out on what to do. Are we actually going to fix that valve lifter by taking the head off, camshaft, and all the internals just to put a new one in? Or follow the recommendation of just replacing the entire motor for what's going to be less than a $100 part, but a pile of labor time? So, in summary, the flat tire, the upper control arm, and finding out why the engine is ticking came to a grand total $1,326.96 with enviro fees, taxes, all that good stuff thrown in. A relationship's always going to cost you time, money, and patience. So if you liked what you saw, by all means consider giving me a thumbs up, leave comments in the section below, consider subscribing to the channel. And until next time, take care.